Like, I struggled with organization. And, like, Albert has been helping me so much. He's a father to the fatherless. He showed me that I kept my home chaotic because my mind was chaotic. I don't know how many of y'all grew up without a parent, but I did. Without my father in my life, and I'm feeling like I didn't get what I needed from my mom. I also grew up only child for 14 years. Found a lot of comfort in figuring it out for myself, or feeling like I figured it out for myself. Always from trying to solve everything on my own, educate myself, teach it to myself, figure out how to work it myself. I use my own strength, and I need his strength to get things done. Hey everybody, it's Mom. I'm working on my consistency. You have to do better with what's given before you can be trusted with more. Sometimes you don't know what to do with what you've been given. It's like you know what to do, but knowing what to do and knowing how to implement what to do, two different things. Something that my Heavenly Father has been constantly reminding me of is that He's a father to the fatherless. He's such a father that He lays it out for me. What a woman is, what she does, her role, what that looks like, how to work on that, the feeling that I have, freedom of my mind. He's been showing me that. When my space is clear, throw this away, get rid of this. Stuff that if left up to me, I wouldn't part with because I invested in it, or mama had it for so long, or whatever the case may be. He's been working on me for years and years through hardships, through trials and tribulations, to be able to let things go. Becoming a parent myself, I've learned how important it is to get some guidance. The best guidance comes from He who created. You know? It's like if anybody knows me, like better than my mama would ever know me, even if we were close. Better than my daddy would ever know me, even if we were close. Is my Heavenly Father, because He knows all. Hear me out, because this really applies if you had great parents. Maybe you lost a parent. Maybe for whatever reason you're separated from a parent. If you find yourself in a place where you need that parental guidance, love, care, direction of a parent, He is just that. He's a father to the fatherless. So it's like, I've been teaching me for a long time, and He's yet still teaching me. And it's like it's levels. And at each level, the teachings get more intricate. Hold on one second. Maybe. He wants to show you things about yourself that you don't understand. He wants to show you things about your bad habits that you don't understand. He wants to expose you to things that you will appreciate if you learn about them and learn how to implement them. He is such a parent, and He wants what's best for you. Being under His direction, yes, He keeps a strict program, but at the same time, it's for your good. And the more He works, and the trust that you learn to build in Him when He just works on you, man, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful relationship. It will take you and turn you truly into what He created you to be. Not what you see, but what He sees. And it will really cause you to be something that you didn't realize that you could be. And it's an amazing feeling. Take Him what you have and ask Him what to do with it. With yourself, with your belongings, with your responsibilities, and let Him be a father to you. Much shalom to everybody.